Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make Taffyta from Wreck-It Ralph. So I love her outfit. It's super cute. You don't need exactly VIP for this, but if you have some of these VIP items, you can. I'll make two versions, I guess. So let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything except for the hat because it took me like years off my life to get that right. So I'm going to just remove everything except for that right now. Oh, and the lollipop as well. I already have a video of that if you guys have not seen it. So for the hat, I used this beanie here in this accessory adjustment. Hello? Okay, I guess it won't show. I just scaled it down to 0.48 and then I colored it F77B7B and then used the glitter material. For the other part of the hat, I colored it 9AC383. Adjustments, position wise 0.45. Okay, I think I did not do a lot, but maybe in the bow section, I did this bow, toggled it to the third setting. Colored it green, the same as this color, and then add glitter texture, Y as 0.66, rotation, X as 0.59, and scale it down to 0.24. Then for the actual outfit, I used this from Codes, and then I colored it this, and then I did white, and then I colored it the same, but I made it like darker, like around this color, and then lastly I just colored it that same green. Oh my gosh, I did not save that green, which I probably should. Like that. For the top, I used this in that same color in glitter. If you don't have VIP, use this instead in this color in glitter and then white, and then that same color and then glitter, and then I am going to add this to like cover this up, and that in glitter, and then I'm going to use these socks in this color. Wait, is it okay? This color. And then that same color in light silk. And I'm also going to do the no feet. Also, if you don't have VIP, you can just use these shoes instead of the ones that I had before. In this color, silk. And then white. And then that same color in silk. And then I'm just going to leave that white. And then for the gloves, you just need this one in white, and then this color in glitter. And then I just did that green, even though it's not on her gloves, but it just makes her look, I guess. And then the fourth one is the same pink color in glitter. Okay, you can't do that. And I did gloves, short, without fur. This is the non-VIP version. Still super cute, like hello. And then for the VIP version, I just changed the skirt and the shoes. For the VIP version, I did the fourth toggle in glitter and in that same color as well. And then I did these shoes in this pink color, peachy pink color, and then I did white for the rest, like so. And that is it, super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.